Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and authenticating with the cloud service. Sign into the official app or a trusted sync tool and grant storage and background permissions so the system can read and write. Make sure you have free internal space for temporary files and a cache. This prevents sync failures. Once done, verify account access and confirm that the app can list files. This step ensures you will be able to map cloud data into internal storage reliably. Next, you map the cloud into a folder inside internal storage so apps access it like local files. Create a dedicated mount point or folder, then use the client's mount or sync function to point the cloud source to that path. Set sync rules, choose one-way or two-way syncing, pick folders to sync, and set cache limits to control internal storage use. Make sure auto mount is enabled so the mapping persists across reboots. This prevents broken links when apps expect. Finish by validating that apps can read and write to the mounted cloud path. Open several files, save changes, and confirm they sync back to the cloud. This proves the mapping works both ways. Enable scheduled sync and bandwidth limits to prevent performance hits during peak use. If something goes wrong, check 3 things first: storage permissions, available internal space, and whether the cloud account needs re-authentication. Fixing any one of these usually resolves common mount or sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.